answer na special prosecutor be initiate corruption cases beyond. I just want permission from what? Attorney General. Yewura Amidu, obi ni Amidu, no the first OSP of Ghana. But forwarding letter be ama Yewura president. Say me pese we OSP no efiso. Ama Yewura president so allegedly wa forward it to what? The Chief Justice. But say establish say asem na ye the man no isn't the right thing. But you mutie ni amekani ye. Na asem ni ma kwa bibia sense. Yewura Amidu the former OSP no wase wan kwa le bia mo bia. But ye hwe act ni the man no. Answer na the OSP ni kwa betimi start asem no. Ese onya permission from the Attorney General. We need Attorney General or ye president no ne lawyer and our country no lawyer. The way I design your constitution no, it means say the president no no appointed the Attorney General and on one also appointed what the OSP. But uko Great Britain and yes sanity. The OSP is being appointed by the legal service of Ghana. We have one in Ghana. It be so I will say and then yama legal service no Oma appointed the OSP no. Is it too much to ask? It's one here then baba. Say president na could tell us any jai. I could tell us wow, when I make us a Ghana, this law won't go anywhere. The OSB had act near you. Say Yansima Enko baby, I bet every day. Ye be Ghana, ye fight corruption biano. Ye mouth to me now. Now president no assent watari. So how do you go? And then make us a charge is being appointed by the president. Now you see the thing is that if Mina me appoint what now who ye be Namsi Jaya, won't you stop? And the presidency of Ghana near too powerful, abnormally powerful, because every institution that is checking the president no is under the influence of the president. So what you say? We are trying to fight corruption. Who are you trying to fight? Now yeah don't quite near chicken and the OSP or Kabibi Amidu was so anything besides one year the letter become be a letter no I do baby no. As it say president now no time letter no allegedly not the command Chief Justice no. And then they be a obi person yeah juma near person ye figure. What is wrong with us? And the NDC for some back OSP watching when they are in power they will fight him or start to say off fighting against the government and they will fight him. You want tricks Nina and to say easy war into power. The EC is the friend or co-positioner is the enemy. We so one thing I make an say me patch us me no watching but it's time for you to wake up. Well you wake up now every day start NDC MPP yanko baby and the end of the day me no never suffer. Omo do ma be kwa brochiri omo do me South Africa me no we are in a country Ghana, but Ghana is bleeding not because we are lazy but because of the actions of our leaders. Bad actions. They don't care about Ghana. All they care is for them and their future. But be a say up to my 10th generation. Let me tell you, you will survive. I'm telling you, you will survive to eat that money. I'm telling you, I'm telling you, what can go up to the 10th generation when the generation of this country is suffering? You are doomed. Who do I'm telling you. Hello, Mawakwa ba Xposed GH. Kofi afọ Bruce from ya make disododo. Ene ye Sunday for fraba. Me Ghana ni ozu ye Ghana ni ana. Ye nyina Ghana for de me kasa ma Ghana enye MPP enye NDC na America. Na na asem na America OSP Special Prosecutor. Prior to the election 2016, Yewura Akufo-Addo, the President of the Republic of Ghana, or the Special Prosecutor beba. Na me say na yem popo enti ase but the special prosecutor system started with Great Britain where yema obi power say obe investigating issues of corruption independently. Sa de ne kofa ba ye de ne de ye hwese ne ye no ye pone Attorney General ne powers ne ka ne de ma special prosecutor no enti ye de ne de answer na special prosecutor be initiate corruption cases biano. I just want your permission from what? Attorney General. Now mami show the role of a special prosecutor. I say the OSP has an object of investigating and prosecuting specific cases of alleged or suspected corruption cases in the public and private sectors, recovering the proceeds of such acts by disgorging illicit and unexplained wealth and taking steps to what? Prevent corruption. It means say OSP no and so make sure say sika biya wo no sika you can account for it. And then I'm for OSP serious na say you say OSP started investigation bi na or yeah against the former we know your friend is saying Minister of Sanitation say sika bi ankola bi ko wiwi ani fi ani enim ba bi ko sika ni efi actually no wa ya fe say niam bi so ye wanye nti on san fa sika ni ma no. That was the first part. Now assembly ba na say an say Yewura Amidu obi ni Amidu no the first OSP of Ghana. Wa forwarding letter be ama Yewura president. Say me pese we OSP no efiso. Ama Yewura president so allegedly wa forward it to what the Chief Justice. Na letter ni go do Chief Justice no eno na say omo establish be a friend no primer facts me mpacho me lawyer ni. But say you establish say asem na ye the man no isn't the right thing. Mpacho mu tie ni ameka ni ye. Na asem ni ma kwa bibia sensi. Yewura Amidu the former OSP no wase won fa letter bia mo bia. Letter no so yes akodu Chief Justice so allegedly. Na mpacho why na the letter ne ko ho. Na ye bisa say are some hands there. Che say manipulate bibia na. Hwe na say ubeka ya. Niam be corruption cases I cause wo Ghana no eye time. And now but is means away wato way. And na sika we ayira. And na we ayira yehu. OSP no up to now me de me hu aduma potin bia waye. Bibia because initiation. But ye hwe act near the man no. Answer na the OSP ni kwa betimi start asem no. Ese onya permission from the Attorney General. We need my Attorney General or ye president no ne lawyer. And our country no lawyer. The way I design your constitution, no, it means say the president no or appointed the Attorney General. And on one also appointed what? The OSP. But uko Great Britain and yes sanity. The OSP is being appointed by the legal service of Ghana, which we have one in Ghana. It be so I will say, and then the legal service no, appointed the OSP no. Is it too much to ask? Nanka sa interference when na ma because yet say Agyebeng say he is trying hard but then their hands are I say per se controlling on which he is not ready to do. At a point in time or say even his life is what an attack. OSP no. Now me beside will say and then I go through all the stress. Because say for UK adie na aba Ghana it means anke be man legal counsel na e bi wo UK na come appoint obi anko be OSP na nka ama wa truly independence because say OSP who be no oba be kan I just obi say attorney general attorney we na or no ye the lawyer for government say should I continue with what the case it wa here dey na beba say president na ku tell us any ejai and could tell us a call. Wow, when I make us a Ghana, yes, right. This law won't go anywhere. The OSP had acting here, you know. Say, and someone uncle baby, I bet every day. Ye be ye bell Ghana, ye de fight corruption, no. Ye mouth to me now, president, no essence what are you? So, how do you go? I don't make us a charge. Is being appointed by the president. Now you see, the thing is that if Mina may appoint wa, now who ye be nam si jaya, won't you stop? And when the presidency of Ghana near too powerful, abnormally powerful, because every institution I say checking the presidents no is under the influence of the president. So what you say? We are trying to fight corruption. Who are you trying to fight? Obi Obeka's or back or bet me fighting corruption is a lie. I'm telling you. Classic example. It's Yewura Nana Akufo-Addo, a fine gentleman by all standards. Obi asebe kumiku preku no di anim. Obi anim say Obi obet me fighting corruption in Ghana. Aye what? The president. Oba Senate here. No, Senate here. And then you check corruption index Ghana, you dropping. Seriously. As if say there are no laws, but the laws are there. But I didn't so laws, no, and no Ghana and him. The OSP wants to work. Now, a human person, you know, and something that works in a kitchen, no, a day. enu ti ema ontimi nkwa anim meanwhile you sorry so I say life has to go on and I say hwe Ghana baby edu no yedu baby a ese ye tenase ne hu say the way I yehye ye niama no say German politicians na Ghana enkoso I na make us you see fa ade even from baby a ade no wa no more done no to suit their own because my more examples me say OSP no if UK you come OSP or but a legal council of what UK in a appointed OSP into a year truly independent. Ghana your legal council. Besides that, government no person or person fighting the power. He should have won. Let the legal council appoint the OSP. Now your man of the powers of the states backed by law. Say obey to me what I am going to see obia including the president. And when the Rebecca say you fight corruption. Na dia ye do kwa na atwetwe wi emfa ene OSP o ka bibi Amidu wo so onye nti bisa wo se wanya na de letter bi komo obi a letter no akodu baabi no is it say president na no tam letter no allegedly no the come chief justice no because say chief justice to me establish say letter na ye de ma no say mfum so bi wo ma she nti me bwa she will start with the proceedings to the removal of the OSP. That is how the laws of Ghana work. But senior president ne chusu ne dia and kase mo anya asem. Adenti na de bia obi pese oye adwuma ne pese ye yi ne fi ho. What is wrong with us? And the NDC for some back OSP obuwa. Watchina when they are in power, they will fight him. Or started off fighting against the government and they'll fight him. Yeah, who am tricks Nina. And I'm giving you to me, be a tricks no one who tricks me. Monsieur Ochina, when MPP comes to power, they will be the enemies of the OSP. When you start fighting them. And then they are his friend. And to say easy. Omo war into power. The EC is the friend. Or co-positioner is the enemy. To make the thing truly independent, you know, me charge the president of the Republic of Ghana, me charge obi person di on my way to say, yes, Sam Renim, na yen say, legal council ho. If you probably about fighting corruption power, the legal council of Ghana should have appointed the OSP. Ultimately appointed OSP now yaman the sovereignty power of Ghana, backed by law, say ultimately initiating anything on his own. Just say on from Raso. So that the law can check him. Yeah, yes, sir. Then I will say we are ready to fight what? Corruption. Now, yes, sir. Now, yeah, idea we are the president will come. The OSP me and my train. Now, me and my niece so mudia. You don't know your honey, yes, the young baby. And then you win ya all kind of crew. Sir President no you OSP no. Sir Martin Amidu was here on one. Also say NDC for almost releasing dogs on him. I said look at here and Sammy Jeffy so one more attack no. Me say watch na NDC will become a public enemy to the OSP when they are in power. And you way ya nunu ya ho ya yesri e nyansa nyani ana ye ne pese boy ya ho abro. Omai baby adu no ye mfa to chair so. We bo we na we abo we na we yi we aba. Enko baby ya. Let's face the facts. Are we ready to fight corruption? If it's yes, the first point is that we need to change the constitution. Constitution or the M1. I just a politician saying but number two, let's make sure say national bodies are almost fighting corruption. They are truly independent. How do you let them become truly independent? By making sure say any president now or appoint you. Try to say any president or appoint no. Yeah. Nyen psyche ni pa adwen say uba public way domain na enye ho ne be make iska eye se wa ye adwuma na wa bobre awie wo se me pese me so me man Ghana ba ye de ne de ho na politician wo be wie sika onti ase me de me ti ase because politician bi ba on talk kada or buy within 6 months no talk as 10 sika ni fe me no bottom. And then obi say so 4 years or to hotel 4 me ne wu botomo enti on mine na ye kekere no aye say obia pressure obe rent politics just to make money, not to serve mother Ghana. Bisa ho say at the end of the day who suffers eye me ne wo sika na mo wiye bebreba ma stash no ene dollar edu 15 cedis 16 cedis no mo pese mo release sika no why na obre me ne wo na ebre ene na asem ye mobo yes your man ye ni ndi da so e fa na ekọ na say metie obi wie first class le god no the about social media say or adwuma shameful country first class or adwuma enti ana oba ko school o mamu na wutua hard earned money for university amasa fa na fa de kwa brochire what no mamu a onya adwuma nye that's the fact on mine na ye wom no ye ni future I'm telling you. I'm not talking about MPP manifesto. I'm not talking about NDC. We don't even have a national manifesto. Now we need manifesto say mechechero mine. How do you do it? I say ye diagro ye dinam ye diagro sa ye diagro sa ye sell mine no. Bisa ho say after years of independence, what has Ghana been able to achieve? Corruption. Making some few people rich. Impoverishing the whole masses. And then hopelessness the whole Ghana. Now see I'm kotomeko. You can't back 10. That's a 10 cedis. To damn you. Tomatoes 4, 20 cedis. That is the country we are in. And only the real facts. Don't let us kid ourselves. About 8 years ago, we thought meko 10 cedis ni oto meko make say man so the kwakwa dey and then you kai meko no that is a reality when your politics the reality is that Ghana has fallen. Your American film you say what the BBB has fallen where the Ghana has fallen and we are falling deep. It's time to wake up. So one thing I make an say, me patch yourself, me no chimba tina me ya de way. It's time for you to wake up. Well, you wake up. Now you everyday stuff. NDC, MPP, you ko baby ya. At the end of the day, me no ne be suffer. Omo do mabe kwa brochire. Omo ya do meko South Africa. Me no ya ya paracetamol cry intimento. We are in a country a Ghana, but Ghana is bleeding. Not because we are lazy, but because of the actions of our leaders. Bad actions. They don't care about Ghana. All they care is for them and their future. Obia Pesika, say up to my 10th generation. Let me tell you, you will survive. I'm telling you, you will survive to eat that money. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. What can go up to the 10th generation when the generation of this country is suffering? You are doomed. I'm telling you. Na yet it's your name for the Sika. For say Sika. A Juma obi kwakwaya, ya say oh 2 cedis. Ghana aban kwakwaya Juma 20 cedis. Ya kwa bobo seni abe disika no. Hey, na say that here. No, as even individual. Okwa bobo say you come and chop the money. Master, it's time to tell the leaders say enough is enough. We need to wake up. And yes, I near my no a boy fem. And again any more guase. But me no, you bet me am Ghana pejabi. Yeah, again no, yeah recycle no. May I have just one call. It's time to change the constitution. JJ Yaman ho. A good time I'm in a cast a constitution MYN. If I'm going to Ben Bruce, I expose GH every weekend, every week be a Meyẹ Ghananii beba. Meyẹ Ghananii, also a Ghananii na. Manu I say I'm out.